and today we're going to discuss some MCQs related to the subject history. So this session includes must to know MCQs of history. So go through it once. Question 1. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Option A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Ashok, C. Bindusar or D. Harsh? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. He founded the Maurya Empire in 321 BC with the help of Chanakya. Which text is considered the earliest source of Indian history? Arthashastra, Rigveda, Mahabharata or Manusmriti? Answer is Rigveda. It is the oldest Indian text providing insights into the Vedic period. Let's move to next question. The Great Bath was found in which Indus Valley site? Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Dholavira or Lothal? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath suggests that the Indus Valley people had advanced water management systems. Next is, who was the first woman ruler of India? Razia Sultan, Rani Lakshmibai, Durgavati or Chand Bibi? Answer is Razia Sultan. She was the only female ruler of the Delhi Sultanate. Which Mauryan ruler converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War? Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar, Ashok, Harsh. Which one is correct according to you? Answer is Ashok. Ashok adopted Buddhism and spread its teaching across Asia. Next is, which ruler is known for introducing market reforms in the Delhi Sultanate? Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq or Iltutmish? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. He controlled price regulations and improved the army system. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Babur, Akbar, Humayun, Sher Shah Suri. Which one is correct? Answer is Babur. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526 and established the Mughal Empire. Which Sikh Guru was executed by Aurangzeb? Guru Nanak, Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guru Arjan Dev or Guru Gobind Singh? Answer is Guru Tegh Bahadur. He was executed in 1675 for opposing forced conversions. Next question is, which Mughal ruler built the Taj Mahal? It's very easy. You can guess it easily. Yes, the answer is Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal was built in memory of Mumtaz Mahal. Next question comes, this is, what was the capital of the Vijayanagar Empire? Hampi, Mysore, Kanchipura, Madurai. Yeah, answer is Hampi. You can pause it and then you can answer the questions. Next is, which British Act officially ended the rule of East India Company? Regulating Act 1773, Government of India Act 1858, Indian Council Act 1892 or Indian Independence Act 1947? Answer is Government of India Act 1858. This act made India a direct British colony under the Crown. Next question is, who was the first Governor General of British India? Lord Canning, Warren Hastings, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon. Which one is correct? Answer is Warren Hastings. He served from 1773 to 1785. Next question, which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Again, very easy question. Answer is, come on. Yes, answer is Quit India Movement. It started on 8th August 1942. It demanded an immediate end to British rule. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten, Linlithgow or Wavell or Ripon? Answer is Mountbatten. He oversaw India's independence in 1947. Who was the first president of independent India? Guess it, or obviously you can guess it easily. Rajendra Prasad. He served as India's first president 1950 to 1962. The Industrial Revolution began in which country? France, Germany, Britain, USA. Answer is Britain. It began in the mid-18th century, transforming industries. Which treaty ended World War I? Treaty of Versailles, Treaty of Paris, Treaty of Vienna or Treaty of Tordesillas? Answer is Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919. It imposed harsh penalties on Germany. Next is, who was the US President during World War II? Woodrow Wilson, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Harry Truman or Dwight Eisenhower? Answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. He led the USA through the most of World War II. Next is, the Cold War was primarily between which two superpowers? US, China, USSR, Germany, US or USSR or UK or Japan? Answer is USA and USSR. Lasted from 1947 to 1991. The United Nations was formed in which year? Check the options and answer the question. Answer is 1945. The UN was established to prevent future wars. Who is known as the father of Indian archaeology? John Marshall, James Prinsep, Alexander Cunningham, Mortimer Wheeler. Answer is Alexander Cunningham. He founded the Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, in 1861. Which Indian king is associated with the Hathi Gufa inscription? Ashok, Khadavela, Samudragupta, Harsh. Which one is correct? Khadavela. Khadavela was the ruler of Kalinga, which is also known as modern Orissa. Which Vedic text contains details of sacrificial rituals? Rig Veda, Samved, Yajurved or Atharvaved? Which one is correct? Answer is Yajurved. The Yajurved focuses on the procedures of yajnas or ritual sacrifices. Which Indian philosopher is known for the concept of Shunyavad or doctrine of emptiness? Adi Shankaracharya, Nagarjuna, Kapila, Patanjali. Which is correct? Answer is Nagarjuna. He was a Buddhist philosopher and founder of Madhyamak school. Which of the following sites of the Indus Valley civilization had an advanced dockyard? Harappa, Lothal, Kalibangan, Mohenjo-daro. Which is correct? Answer is Lothal. Lothal, which is in Gujarat, had a well-planned dockyard indicating trade with Mesopotamia. Next question is, who was the founder of the slave dynasty in India? Iltutmish, Balban, Razia Sultan, Kutubuddin Aibak. Answer is Kutubuddin Aibak. He established the Delhi Sultanate in 1206. Who introduced the Mansabdari system in Mughal administration? Babur, Akbar, Jahangir or Aurangzeb? Answer is Akbar. The Mansabdari system categorized officials based on rank and salary. Which Delhi Sultan shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Iltutmish, Balban, Muhammad bin Tughlaq or Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. His decision failed due to logistical difficulties. Next question. The Battle of Khanwa 1527 was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, Akbar and Hemu, Aurangzeb and Shivaji. Which one is correct? Answer is Babur and Rana Sanga. This battle strengthened Mughal rule in India. Next question. Who built the famous Gol Gumbaz in Bijapur? Ibrahim Adil Shah II, Muhammad Adil Shah, Ahmad Shah I, Quli Qutub Shah. Which one is answer? Yes, Muhammad Adil Shah. Gol Gumbaz has the second largest dome in the world. The revolt of 1857 began in which place? Jhansi, Meerut, Kanpur or Lucknow? Answer is Meerut. The Sepoy Mutiny started on 10th May 1857 in Meerut. Next question is, who was the first Indian to raise the demand for Swaraj in 1906? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji, Lala Lajpat Rai or Bipin Chandra Pal? Answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. He declared Swaraj as the goal of the Indian National Congress. Next, which act introduced diarchy in India? Government of India Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935 or Independence Act 1947? Government of India Act 1919 is the answer. Diarchy divided administration between British and Indian ministers. Who among the following was not associated with the non-cooperation movement? Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, C.R. Das or Bhagat Singh? Answer is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was active in revolutionary movements, not non-cooperation. Who wrote Discovery of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru or B.R. Ambedkar? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru wrote this book during his imprisonment years in 1942 to 1946. The American Revolution was mainly caused by slavery, high taxation, religious conflict or border disputes. Answer is high taxation. The slogan "No taxation without representation" became popular during this time. Next question is, the French Revolution in 1789 led to the rise of which leader? Napoleon Bonaparte, Louis XVI, Robespierre, Otto von Bismarck. Which one is correct? Napoleon Bonaparte. He took power in 1799, ending the French Revolution. The League of Nations was formed after which war? World War I, World War II, Napoleonic Wars or Franco-Prussian War? Answer is World War I. It was founded in 1920 but failed to prevent World War II. Next is, the Berlin Wall fell in which year? 1985, 1989, 1991, 1995. Answer is 1989. Its fall symbolized the end of the Cold War. Who was the first grammarian of the Sanskrit language? Kalidas, Panini, Patanjali, Bhartrihari. Okay. Answer is Panini. Panini wrote the Ashtadhyayi, the oldest non-grammar of Sanskrit. Which Harappan site is known for its rice cultivation evidence? Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan or Rakhigadi? Answer is Kalibangan. In Rajasthan shows evidence of plowed fields proving early rice cultivation. The rock-cut caves at Ajanta and Ellora belong to which period? Maurya, Gupta, Satavahan, Rashtrakuta. Which one is correct? Answer is Gupta. The Ajanta caves belong to Gupta period and are related to Buddhism. Which king was known as Amrit Ghata, slayer of enemies? Ashok, Samudragupta, Bindusar, Kanishk. Which one is correct? Answer is Bindusar. Bindusar was the second Mauryan ruler known for expanding the empire. Next question. Which ruler was the first to use the title Maharaja Dhiraj? Chandragupta Maurya, Samudragupta, Kanishk or Harsh? Answer is Samudragupta. Samudgupta used the title meaning king of kings. Which ruler built the Alai Darwaza? Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji or Balban? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. The Alai Darwaza in Delhi is an example of Indo-Islamic architecture. Let's move to next question. The Bhakti movement was started by which saint? Ramanuja, Kabir, Nanak or Tulsidas? Which one is correct? Answer is Ramanuja. Ramanuja in 11th century emphasized devotion, that is bhakti, over rituals. Which ruler introduced the Persian festival of Nowruz in India? Babur, Alauddin Khilji, Balban or Humayun? Which one is correct? Answer is Balban. Balban enforced courtly etiquette and Persian customs like Nowruz in India. Who was the last ruler or Hindu ruler of Delhi? Prithviraj Chauhan, Harsh, Hemu or Rana Sanga? Answer is Hemu. Hemu defeated Akbar's forces in 1556 but later lost in the Second Battle of Panipat. Which Mughal emperor was known as Zinda Pir, living saint? Akbar, Jahangir, Aurangzeb or Babur? Aurangzeb is the answer. Aurangzeb followed strict Islamic laws and avoided luxury. Next question. Who established the Arya Samaj in 1875? Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Answer is Dayanand Saraswati. The Arya Samaj opposed idolatry and caste discrimination. The First War of Independence, 1857, failed mainly due to lack of unity, lack of arms, British diplomacy or weak leadership. Answer is lack of unity. Different rebel groups had no central leadership or coordination. This was the main reason it failed. Who was the first Indian woman to preside over the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Kasturba Gandhi. Which one is correct? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. She was elected Congress President in 1925. The Lahore session of the Indian National Congress 1929 is important because demand for Purna Swaraj was made, Gandhi started the non-cooperation movement, British announced dominion status or Congress accepted the Cripps mission. Which one is correct? Answer is the demand for Purna Swaraj was made. Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the tricolor and declared January 26, 1930 as Independence Day. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, Hargobind Khorana, Mother Teresa. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for Gitanjali. Which treaty ended the Napoleonic Wars? Treaty of Versailles, Treaty of Vienna, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk or Treaty of Tordesillas? Answer is Treaty of Vienna. Signed in 1815, it restored European balance after Napoleon's defeat. Next question. Which country launched the first artificial satellite Sputnik? USA, USSR, Germany or China? Which one is the answer? USSR. The Sputnik 1 satellite 1957 marked the start of the space race. Next question. The Boxer Rebellion 1899 to 1901 was an uprising in which country? Japan, India, China, Vietnam. Answer is China. The Boxers opposed Western and Japanese influence in China. Who was the US President during the Great Depression 1929? Franklin D. Roosevelt, Herbert Hoover, Harry Truman, Woodrow Wilson. Which one is the answer? Herbert Hoover. The Great Depression started under Hoover's presidency but was tackled by the FDR later. Okay, who was the first person to circumnavigate the world? Vasco da Gama, Ferdinand Magellan, Christopher Columbus or Marco Polo? Answer is Ferdinand Magellan. Though Magellan died en route, his fleet completed the journey in 1522. So this was the end of the MCQ session on history. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what was your score, as these were the easiest MCQ every aspirant must know. For PDF, you can contact me through my email or just visit Udemy for my lectures with PDF. Feel free to ask any questions related to the subject. Alright, thank you.